Let's review today's trade and learn something new. First of all, let's mark out midnight open and 8:30 a.m. open to see if we are in premium or discount. Today my bias was bearish, so I marked out sell-side liquidity as my initial target. Now let's see what kind of price action we had pre-market. As you see, we had minor sell-side liquidity raid. So after 9:30 a.m., we wait for equal highs to get raided prior to moving down. Here, the green box represents first fair value gap after 9:30 a.m. It's a minor one, but still has its role. We also have higher 15-minute time frame fair value gap, which the market rallies up to. Above the minor liquidity buy-side raid, we create fair value gap, which we inverse with fair value gap. In other words, we know this strategy as balanced price range, which you can practice in SetupLab. For entry, I am using second fair value gap, and I'm placing my stop loss above the fair value gap's first candle, as it is taught in ICT concepts. With this, we are aiming towards the sell-side liquidity. This setup gave us nice 1-to-3 risk to rewards ratio, even more than that. If you want to catch this kind of trades, I recommend you to download the SetupLab. It gives you the opportunity to learn and improve for free. Thanks for watching and safe trading.